Hey, what's up mga ka-ambitis ko? And here we are again. I'm going to do a video for my Leo, Leo Sun Moon Rising. Any placements will do para sa ating full moon reading ngayong April 23 to 25. Scorpio full moon ito, okay? So, let's go ahead and dig into it. Okay? Well, kuha sana ako ng bara, pero balasahin pa natin. Kahit na nabalasa na to, just to make sure it's randomly selected for my Leo. Leo placements. To Diamaloy, taray. I would love to congratulate you because this month, or simula ngayon, moving forward, you will know definitely kung sino lang talaga yung partner mo. Solid, committed relationship, kung relation at pag-uusapan or pagmamahalan, definitely you know kung sino yung kapartner mo. Walang kaano-ano to, kaabog-abog na alam kong i-value itong aking karelasyon. When it comes to business partnership, definitely you will have that clarity on who and why and how you're dealing with your partner. Dahil na-testing na raw sa matinding mga problema. Dahil pag may dumaang problema or nangyari na yung problema, yun na yung obvious reason why you're choosing this person or they're choosing you. Okay? So, itong partnership na to ay hinabi ng panahon, hinabi ng grabing pagsubok. Kaya naman, extreme happiness, ang ilan sa inyo malamang anniversary, more than 10-year anniversary, 5 to 10 years anniversary, or nasa anniversary ng pagstay sa isang lugar na tumagal, pero maraming pagsubok ang pinagdaanan. And if you're a Leo Queen, oh my word, you will definitely gain respect, honor, achievements. And if you are a male energy Leo, makakaranas ka na i-acknowledge ang iyong asawa, partner, or magulang na babae, ganun nagsina, may-witness mo na sila ay pinagmamalaki mo, ina-appreciate mo, na-acknowledge mo. So, for Diamond, the value that you have is truly very solid. Financial stability ito. So, there's a possibility that some of you, Leo, will definitely have a long-term goal or investment sa business or sa trabaho. You will have clear indications of, I know that this is worth all the sacrifice, all the challenge, kasi ito na yung pang long-term ko. Maging sa pag-ibig o pakikipagrelasyon. So, I congratulate you, Leo placements, that you are growing maturely at seryoso at malalim ang pinaghuhugutan mo. You appreciate your family, especially your parents, especially your mother. And 3 o'clock, bumabalik tanaw ka raw sa nakaraang mga experiences with your mother or a mother figure in your life. Next, tarot card naman tayo mga Leo. Morning, super busy po ako. Tinatapos ko ang aking videos. But I'm happy to let you know that you can conquer the world. Kahit na online ang iyong trabaho, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, work from home ka, or whatever job you have, there's a big possibility that aangat ka sa posisyon mo, makakarating ka sa ibang bansa, magle-level up ang pamumuhay mo, and nag-uumpisa na siya ngayon. Nag-start na daw yung pagbabagong yun sa buhay mo. There will be new opportunities or new offer that you can think of, accepting kasi magagandang offer sila. O pwedeng ikaw itong mag-offer ng love sa bagong relasyon. Pero definitely this is about a career growth and teamwork collaboration with your connection sa career environment. Iwasan daw ang mga conflict or issues na nakikita mo nang may mali. I know na hindi kayo mapipigilan magsalita, but as much as possible, kung pwedeng iwasan ng mga komplikadong sitwasyon, ay kailangang iwasan. Why? Para hindi maudlot ang prosperity na dapat ngayon pa lang, pero bumabagal. So, ang ilan sa inyo nangyari na to, ang ilan nangyayari pa lang, o yung iba mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, pinagpapahinga ka lang daw pag may mga financial issues or struggle na yun, ha? At kung pinag-iisip ka muna kung ano yung mga offers or new job or new career ang papasukin mo. Dahil ang mas importante dito, ay nakagkaroon ka ng hermit mode time. Nakapagdila-nila, nakapag-contemplate, nakapagdasal. This is also a sign of you being lonely or isolated. So, there's a possibility na nangyayari ito ngayon or mangyayari pa lang. And last but not the least, the reason why you're feeling lonely is because you are, you are being taught to be responsible and strong. But since hindi pa ganun ka-matured, kaya nahihirapan mag-cope up. But I would highly suggest that you need to accept the challenges. Those challenges are really going to strengthen you. So go ahead and, face the reality that this life isn't easy, but at least it's teaching you how to be a stronger person and more matured. Okay? So, ang oracle card natin, ang mensahe naman nito ay para sa inyo. First card, prosperity definitely will happen in the future. You are starting to create prosperity in your life. And you have to believe that there's angels. There are things in your life that's well guarded. Okay? Alagang-alaga ka ng Panginoon. So, be bold and have confidence to face those things na gusto mong ma-achieve, because definitely you will have fertility or a harvest moments in the next coming weeks or so. The inner goddess within you, the beauty, the charm, the charisma you have is what you are actually having na dahilan para mas mag-grow. So, sometimes you need to go outside, okay? Do some activities outside para medyo makalma ka ng konti. And makaranas ng at peace, or kalma, or payapa ng puso, right? So, with that being said, last but not the least, ang first sticks mo sa I Ching ay, okay. Another, nahulog pa. Mother figure, your mother or you being a mother will be getting negativities or toxicity. Pwedeng malungkot, pwedeng ang mother moment natin ngayong May will make you feel so sad and lonely, or parang hesitant na minsan masaya, minsan hindi, sinner or saint negative, positive yung effect ng mother figure or motherly love sa'yo, or you being a mother, something like that. Because you will remember your younger days or pagiging bata. So, ngayon magpapakaisip bata minsan. Or you'll be looking at your son, child, or daughter while being young. Na maging tropa, friend, or kaibigan if you have kids. Pwedeng ikaw na parang anak, tinuturing kang best friend ng iyong magulang or mahal sa buhay. But destiny will be fulfilled, that your enemies will show up, lalabas ang katotohanan na mga enemy ito ay may deception na ginawa sa'yo. Nakatadhana, isa pa nga. But you and your wife, if you are having a wife or you are a husband, whatsoever, baliktad natin, in the future, dahil sa pagbubukas ng kalinawan tungkol sa mga taong nanluloko sa inyo or nanloko, or mga taong nag-take advantage sa inyo, that will lead you to becoming rich. So, good luck. Take care.